for $1,100 some dollars. So all units are assigned their own carport. So that's cool, and it's included in your rent. Here's the bedroom. I am pretty tall, so look, with nothing in here. I like this one better. Flat top, y'all know I love a flat top. So I just went in, but I don't have an appointment, so I'd have to schedule one. On to the next. You know, I don't know why I'm here. I don't think I'm gonna like this place, but let's go. I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little. Man really got up and walked away and never came back. When I asked if this was the leasing office, he really just got up. I like how in here look. They might too. So the only one I can tour today is this one, the 658 square feet. I think that was on the list to tour, so we'll see. So she said that's one of the 3 pools that they have on property, and then beside it, y'all seen that the gym was right there. 658 square feet. Okay. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be terrible. Oh, washer and dryer, are they included? So she said washer and dryer are already included in every unit here, so that's a plus. Y'all know I don't like this swirl stuff, but you know, it's okay, we gotta find somewhere to live. And then your dishwasher. Here's the bedroom. The closet. So let's go into the bathroom. The finish is consistent. The same brown. And then the same brown. I am pretty tall, so look. So I'm gonna bust out this bathroom. I'm not even standing on my toes. I hate to jump. Thank you. So now we're gonna go see the smaller one, the renovated one. That's gonna be 1,100 something. So for any of you guys that would like that, it's hot out here, by the way. So, and it's already 3. I've gotten 1 apartment done. This is the second one because the third one you needed an appointment. I'm gonna throw another apartment on there that my friend mentioned. I really like that first one still, so we'll see. The smaller one, thank you. So this is what it looks like with nothing in here. I like this one better. 110%. Yeah, I like this one better. Even though it's smaller, I love the color. It's like the color of the first one. And then you got your attachable island. This one is more updated, I feel like. I like that too. Flat top, y'all know I love a flat top. Washer and dryer included. Got a little bit of space right here. That's what it looks like. Your living room area. This is the bedroom. This is the best angle for it. Here's the closet. Right here. It's not a garden style tub, but that's okay. I was almost gonna say no to touring this one. This is the 5 something. I already showed you guys. I like it though. I like it. It feels nicer in here compared to the bigger one. Everything in the bigger one was not given updated, but this is. And she did say it's newly renovated, or she said it's just a renovated one. So I like it, yeah. Just for 11, did she say 10? It might be 1,000 something, or it's 1,100 something. Either way, I like it.
He know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice.
So all units are assigned their own carport. So that's cool, and it's included in your rent. And she said something else about bills. I don't know. I think some of them are included too. But that's not bad for $1,100 some dollars. I would have done the one that I just looked at. So apart from my rent, property fees are gonna add up to $106.
So it's gonna be $54 for trash, which is including valet trash.
Okay.
And then like I said, the $15 for the carport.
Okay.
$5 for pest control, $15 for a community maintenance fee, and then $17 for a
No worries.
system that we use called Fetch.
Fetch.
Have you ever heard of Fetch?
I use the receipt one. Fetch you get points back, but Fetch delivery, yeah, my friend has that at her apartment.
Yeah, so that's what we use. Do you have any pets?
No.
So for the application, it's $75 per applicant plus $175 for the administrative fee.
Okay.
So for yourself, it would be here's your extra.
Oh, thank you. I really like that second apartment. And I lied, the carport is $15. It's included though. I like that. I really like that one. I'm so surprised. Even though I am damn near taller than the bathroom. For real.
Yeah. So it's going to be $250 for the app fee, and this one is non-refundable. So whenever you do the application, you do like a screening where it checks like your credit score, your rental history, background check, stuff like that. If you come back approved, there's no conditions for